What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today for you, real quick, just want to go over this little kit. It is cotton swabs and little cotton pads for a gun cleaning kit. Alright, let's check this out. Why did I pick this up? Well, it was a fantastic price of about $5 or $6 for 600 basically extra long Q-tips, and the Q-tips on the ends of them, I don't know if you can see that, I'm not going to open this up, they go to an absolute point. Works perfectly for getting in the long crevices of when you break down and you have to clean out your hunting rifle or your range practice toys, I'll say. So there is 600 long Q-tips there, and there's 600 little cotton swabs or cotton pads, I'll go with 2" by 2" squares. And this kit right here will last a really long time. So why did I pick this up? I have another small cleaning kit. If you haven't seen that video, go right down. I believe it wasn't too long ago that I posted it. Go check that out. The cleaning kit is by Otis, and I just wanted to pick this up as a little extra stuff to have when I'm at home. And these, believe me, will last a really long time. 600 for about $5 or $6. That's gonna last a long time. So go check these out. Amazon, just type in gun cleaning, cotton swabs and Q-tips, whatever. Just search and find up. There's a ton of them. So I just figured I'd show you this, why I got them, and how cheap they were. So go check it out. If you like this video, hit that like button down below. Hit the subscribe and the bell, and it'll alert you every time there's new stuff coming. Take care.